When you're learning a new video game, or trying to nail the latest and greatest dance move on TikTok, it's easy to see the progress you're making. Your character's leveling up, you're finally remembering the dance moves to the Renegade, you're feeling pretty good about yourself. But what if you're trying to get better at something where it's harder to see the progress you're making? Something like learning a new language, or Algebra 1. Since these skills are more mental type skills, it's harder for you to verify when something is helping you get better. And when you can't see any changes happening, it's easy to assume that not much is really happening. But make no mistake, our brains are always filled with activity. In fact, all our skills are controlled by our brains. Unfortunately, many people still think we are born with the brain we get, and that's that. Your abilities and talents are set from birth. But that's yesterday's news. Today, we know this way of thinking couldn't be further from the truth. Thanks to the advances we've made in technology, we are now able to measure the brain and watch as it transforms and grows. In the last 20 years, we've seen some pretty remarkable things. Psychologists, people who study the way humans behave, have helped us understand just how powerful the thoughts in our heads really are. During the same time, neuroscientists, people who study the brain, have helped us clearly see how our brain behaves like a muscle, capable of getting stronger or weaker, depending on how much we work it out. Together, this knowledge has unleashed us from our old school way of thinking and allowed us to embrace a world full of mistakes, effort, and progress. As you work through this module, reflect on the various things in your life you find difficult. How do you respond when you get stuck? What kind of things do you tell yourself in your head? Our goal by the end of this module is to help you realize, regardless of what you may have been told in the past, the skills and abilities you want are likely something you can develop, something you can grow. So go ahead, dream bigger. Nay, dream crazier. After all, it's only crazy until you do it.